Meet DeployAlign, an evidence-gated decision compiler for robotics deployment. Robotics pilots rarely fail because nobody had an idea. They fail because customer intent, sales promises, and engineering evidence drift apart. The deployment gate becomes a meeting, instead of a test. This synthetic sub-fab Raman case starts with 3 preserved artifacts: a customer email, a sales proposal, and an engineering review. Every statement keeps its source and exact quote. No uploads, real customer data, or field claims are involved. The optional Gemini step structures those statements into typed candidate nodes. Deterministic TypeScript rules then build the canonical graph. Here, an unbounded sales commitment conflicts with the 5-analyte evidence envelope, assumes unmeasured access, and requires an open test. The compiler emits stable diagnostic codes, not a free-form opinion. It flags unbounded scope, unsupported commitment, a preference cast as a requirement, an unsurveyed site claim, missing acceptance criteria, and an open critical test. Instead of inventing performance, cost, or schedule, DeployAlign proposes the minimum evidence-supported patch. All materials becomes 5 named analytes. Every area becomes 12 mapped critical AOIs. Fully autonomous becomes supervised phase 1. 2 evidence gates intentionally remain open. AI stops at this boundary. A person reviews the exact semantic diff. The approved run preserves its Gemini provider evidence, advances baseline version 2, and moves the gate from hold to conditional pilot. Then the compiler rebuilds only what depends on decision DEC014. 6 decision ID linked sections are recompiled. 3 unrelated sections reuse their original objects and fingerprints. The impact table makes changed, invalidated, rebuilt, and unchanged state explicit. One approved decision now produces 3 synchronized views: a customer decision memo, a sales statement of work, and an engineering test manifest. Each view carries the same decision ID and source links. On Cloud Run, Gemini 2.5 Flash classified 3 sources. Receipts separate Gemini, deterministic rules, and human approval. DeployAlign.